Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Top Cover Drawing Lesson. Open the top cover part and click on New, Drawing from Part. Select the drawing template and click OK. Select the A landscape sheet size, turn off the display sheet format and click OK. From the view palette, drag the front view onto the sheet. Click to locate a top, bottom, isometric, and right views. Hold down the Control key, select the top, front, bottom, and right views. Right-click on any view and select Tangent Edge Removed. Right-click on the isometric view and set the view to Tangent Edges Visible. Arrange the views in the screen to continue. From the View Layout tab, select Section View, select the horizontal direction, select the top view and locate the section view. In the section view properties, turn on the Slice Section option and click OK. Add a detail view from the section view and locate it in the sheet as indicated. Select the Model Items command, set the import options and click OK. If needed, change the units to 3 decimal places. Delete and arrange the annotations as indicated. Hold down the Shift key to move a dimension to a different view. Right-click on the sheet, select More Dimensions, and select Vertical Ordinate Dimension. Or from the Smart Dimension drop-down menu, select Vertical Ordinate Dimension. Click to set the Vertical Ordinate Dimensions 0 reference and select the Edges to Dimension. Right-click on the screen, click on More Dimensions and select Horizontal Ordinate Dimensions. Click to set the Horizontal Ordinate Dimensions 0 and select the Edges to Dimension. From the Annotations tab, click on the Note tool and select a location in the screen. Type the note and change the format as indicated. Click OK to finish the node. Click on the part and select the Open Part from the context toolbar. Select the menu File, Properties, and select the Custom tab. In the Property Name column, select Material, and in the Value Fields drop-down list, select Material. Select the second property row. Type Volume, and select Volume from the Value Fields drop-down list. Select the Weight property next, and the Mass value. In the fourth property row, type My Name, and enter your name in the Value field. Click OK to finish. Click in the menu window and select the top cover drawing. Add a new node and type Material. Click on Link to Property and select Material from the drop-down list. Click OK to finish the node. Double-click on the node to edit it. Add a new row and type Volume. Click on Link to Property. Select Volume from the drop-down list and click OK. Add a new row and type Weight. Link the Weight property and click OK. Add a new row, type Designer, and link the My Name property. Type the units of measure for volume and weight. Change the node format as indicated and finish the node. Use the Smart Dimension tool to add the missing dimensions and format them as indicated. Select the Hole Callout tool to add the hole specification. Create a new reference layer. Change the references and ordinate dimensions to the new layer. Save the drawing and close the file.